And here's Aiden with the wheelbarrow. You're going backwards, Aiden. There's the rabbits. Are you getting rabbits or are you getting straw? There's some straw. Be careful, they might bite you. Yeah, those are rabbits, eh? Are those bunnies? Little bunnies. There's a bunny. Watch your fingers. Yeah, let's not do that, okay? Where's your sandbox? Yeah. Oh, keep the gate closed. Yeah, that locks the gate, right?